A few minutes back, I heard somebody saying that there is a need to give security awareness campaign, to go ahead with a security awareness campaign or a security assurance campaign periodically. Perhaps this is an opportunity for me to tell you all here that we are all safe, number one. And through you and through media, I'd like to tell all the public at large that Hyderabad and Cyberabad we are all safe here. Industry, the public, the civic life in general, everything is normal. It will continue to be normal, nothing to get worried about. When I look at the Cyberabad, the limits of Cyberabad Commissionerate, I have two different ways of looking at the industry as far as the industry is concerned. One, as you know, is the most important thing, the IT industry and the IT-enabled services area. And the other one is non-IT industry. I'd like to just tell you how we are handling these two issues. One with regard to the IT industry. In fact, just now Mr. Santosh Mehra has said about the safe city. I would like to, in fact, we are aiming towards the safe city as far as IT industry and the Cyberabad is concerned. One, you have, I think you're aware of, the Cyberabad high-tech city and the IT area. We have phase 1, which is almost complete now. We're going for phase 2 and phase 3. Phase 1, let me tell you, we have, in fact, about 5 years back, there is an initiative which is formed out of, with an active initiative from the police side and the IT industry. The Cyberabad Security Council has been formed. It is doing extremely well. In fact, whatever were planned, they came to a reality very recently. It had to struggle for 4 years to come to a reasonable level of assuring people that everything is all right. Let me tell you, in fact, for the past 3 years, in phase 1 area of high-tech city, there is no assault or attack on any IT employee or IT industry. To tell you, even there is no case of eve teasing registered in the past 2 years in Cyberabad phase 1 area.